Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Stripe to bank account in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First off, log into your Stripe dashboard account, and once you're inside, you want to head over to the Balances tab on the left side, right over here. Now this is where you'll see a full summary of your money. If you just received a payment, it may show under incoming right over here, which means it's not available for withdrawal yet. Now Stripe usually takes some time to clear payment, so keep that in mind. Now, once the funds moves into available, you're good to withdraw. Before doing that, you want to make sure you have a bank account connected. You want to go to manage payouts right over here, and you want to choose bank accounts and add a new bank account if you haven't already. So just simply enter your bank details carefully and then save them. Next, you want to choose how Stripe sends your money. To do this, you want to go to manage payouts and then click on manage payout schedule. And from here, you can choose automatic payouts like weekly or monthly or as you can see here, daily even, or switch to manual payouts if you want full control right over here. Stripe will then process the transfer and the money will arrive in your bank based on your country and bank processing time. And basically that's it. That's how you withdraw money from Stripe to your bank account. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.